Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Control Center because this is the fastest control for orientation. Swipe down from the top right corner. Once done, scan for the lock with arrow icon. If it's highlighted, Portrait Lock is active and Auto Rotate is off. Tap it to toggle. Make sure to watch the screen rotate briefly after tapping so you know it changed. If you prefer a permanent change, next we'll use settings to confirm behavior and rule out app-specific overrides. Once you've used Control Center, open Settings to double-check system-level options. Tap Display and Brightness, and verify display zoom and any accessibility features aren't constraining rotation. Sometimes zoomed view prevents rotation. If an app still won't rotate, force quit and reopen it because apps can cache orientation state. Make sure to test in multiple apps like Safari and Photos to isolate whether it's system-wide. If rotation works in some apps, the issue is app-specific. Update or reinstall that app. Finish by eliminating transient glitches. Restart your iPhone because a reboot often restores sensor function. If rotation still misbehaves, install any pending iOS update. System updates fix many sensor bugs. Make sure to test after each action. If nothing changes, run diagnostics via Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit because it could be a faulty accelerometer or a hardware issue. One troubleshooting tip. If rotation works only with screen protectors off, remove or adjust the protector that may block sensors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.